Hello guys, welcome back to my video. Hello guys, today we're gonna be reacting to some videos, so yeah.
I'm gay.
I'm a lesbian.
I am active pansexual.
I am transgender.
I'm in the empire business.
Okay, that video, 9.5. That video was so cool. I love Walter White, but it was so weird when it just randomly said, I'm gay, I'm heterosexual and stuff. I don't know why it just randomly just went into that. But anyways, let's get on to the next video.
You're a Rizzler. What? How else could you possibly have all...
Anyways, going in strong with the brain rot. I hate that, but let's just carry on, guys, because I know I gotta do it for you.
You're a Rizzler. What? How else could you possibly have all those yachts? Oh my skibbity wall. Phantom tax?
It's motion. I just have hella Riz. I'm not a beta. Phantom taxed all your grimace shakes, your Riz. Kais, you're not even shaved off your dreads. You're back to having L-Riz. But you know the mogging. And I know the rizzing. I'm thinking, maybe you and I could lock in.
You, wanna Riz Gaiats?
No cap.
I mean, that last part was actually pretty cool when it started showing the edit. That was cool. But anyways, guys, that's the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed.